Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the resolutions for the "Your computer may be sending automated queries" error. And now let's get started. The first solution to address this error is to clear your browsing history. Open your preferred web browser, then click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the window. From the drop-down menu, select History, and then click on the symbol that resembles a bin. It is important to change the time range to all time to ensure a complete clearing. Make sure that cookies and cache are checked, and then click on the Clear button. Another effective solution is to try using a different web browser. If you are currently using Microsoft Edge, for instance, attempt to switch to Google Chrome or another browser you have installed. This can help determine if the issue is specific to a particular browser. Next, a simple restart of your computer can often resolve temporary glitches. Right-click on the Start button, then select Shutdown or Sign Out, and finally choose the Restart option. If the problem persists, resetting your modem and router might be necessary. Begin by switching off your modem, then switch off your router, and also switch off your computer. Once all devices are off, turn on the modem only. Wait until the indicator lights on the modem become stable. After the modem lights are stable, turn on the router and again wait for its lights to stabilize. Finally, turn on your computer. The last step in our troubleshooting process is to scan your computer for viruses and malware. Search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open the Windows Security application. Navigate to the Virus and Threat Protection tab. Then click on Scan Options. Select the full scan option and then click on Scan Now. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.